As the ship's operations become smart, automated, and computerized, the cyber attacks for the marine environment are also on a rise. So, now cybersecurity is basic, not choice. SEACURE is your reliable solution for cybersecurity. From new building ships to operating ships, from system suppliers to ship owners, SEACURE delivers complete cybersecurity solutions. SEACURE offers a full spectrum of cybersecurity services tailored for both new build and operating ships. From compliance consulting to technical solutions and education, SEACURE ensures your vessel is secure, compliant, and future-ready. For new building ships, cybersecurity is no longer optional. SEACURE manages everything from early-stage system design, risk assessment, to final class approval and onboard testing, ensuring smooth compliance with SEACURE 26 and related standards, and ships in operation must also undergo cybersecurity assessments. SEACURE supports you with annual audits, crew or operator changes, and continuous risk monitoring to maintain secure operations. SEACURE provides field-proven, internationally compliant cybersecurity solutions that meet regulatory requirements and integrate seamlessly into shipboard systems. SEACURE specializes in complex vessel systems. We consult from the design phase through to class submission, helping integrators implement secure architectures and documentation. In addition, ship owners need agile cybersecurity support throughout a vessel's lifecycle. SEACURE delivers tailored consulting for annual surveys, equipment updates, and regulatory changes. To build long-term cybersecurity capabilities, SEACURE offers training programs aligned with UR E26/E27. Our hands-on workshops and certification help system integrators meet international standards. SEACURE, developed by CNET, is a dedicated cybersecurity implementation service designed for new building ships subject to SEACURE 26 compliance. That we support the entire lifecycle of cybersecurity integration, from initial planning and system design to FAT, onboard testing, and class documentation, enabling shipyards and owners to deliver fully compliant cybersecure vessels. It has 6 key service features as following. SEACURE provides all essential cybersecurity documents required by class societies, including the CSDD, test procedure, and risk assessment, customized to each project's specifications. We perform or assist in executing both FAT and onboard cybersecurity tests, offering on-site or remote support to ensure successful validation against class requirements. SEACURE streamlines coordination among shipyards, system suppliers, and class societies, establishing a clear cybersecurity workflow integrated into the project timeline. All documentation is structured based on our direct approval experience, ensuring efficient review and acceptance by class societies such as DNV, SP1+, and BV. SEACURE maintains standardized templates and processes aligned with the specific cybersecurity requirements of ABS, BV, DNV, LR, KR, and K, and RENA. We provide detailed cybersecurity implementation schedules and verification checklists to help shipyards and owners meet certification deadlines without delays. SEACURE, developed by CNET, is a tailored cybersecurity service for operating vessels that require ongoing compliance with IMO and IACS regulations. Even during operation, ships must maintain a validated cybersecurity framework and be able to demonstrate compliance to classification societies and flag states. Events such as annual surveys, equipment replacements, manager/operator changes, or flag changes demand updated cybersecurity documentation and assessments. It has 6 key service features as following. SEACURE reviews and revises required documents such as the Cybersecurity Design Description, CSDD, and risk assessment in preparation for annual class surveys. We assist in cybersecurity impact assessments and documentation updates for key operational changes, including equipment replacement, flag change, or management transfer. Based on real onboard conditions, SEACURE conducts thorough inspections of vessel networks and systems to identify potential cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Diagnostic reports are generated in alignment with the specific requirements of major classification societies including ABS, BV, DNV, LR, KR, NK, and RENA. Using equipment lists and onboard inventories, SEACURE applies automated security diagnostics and mitigation planning for efficient and repeatable assessments. SEACURE supports the establishment of a formal cybersecurity mock process to ensure compliance during system or operational changes. SEACURE, NMS, is CNET's dedicated network monitoring system designed to enhance cyber resilience on board ships. By continuously monitoring the status of OT/IT devices connected to the network, SEACURE, NMS, enables early detection of anomalies, supporting proactive cybersecurity management in line with IACS-URE 26 and IMO guidelines. The system delivers real-time visibility into vessel network activity, device connections, and security-relevant events, thereby providing immediate insights during class inspections, annual surveys, and incident response. It has 5 key service features as following. Continuously monitors the health and status of OT/IT equipment communicating with the NMS, detecting early signs of potential cybersecurity incidents. Visualizes and inspects network traffic based on IEC 62443 compliant zone and conduit structure, helping to assess secure network segmentation. Detects and records events such as unauthorized logins, device connection changes, and prolonged unresponsiveness. Aggregates logs and displays key cybersecurity metrics on a visual dashboard, tailored for both vessel operators and cybersecurity personnel. Supports secure storage of monitoring data and generates reports to assist with documentation for class audits and incident analysis. We also supply a wide range of cybersecurity solutions, covering 5 key domains: network security, endpoint protection, data loss prevention, DLP, encryption and authentication, and security management. SEACURE Consulting is CNET's specialized cybersecurity consulting service designed to support system and equipment suppliers in meeting the requirements of IACS-URE 27 and Classification Society type approval procedures. Many suppliers face challenges due to limited documentation capacity, a lack of cybersecurity procedures, or no prior experience with class approvals. SEACURE bridges these gaps by offering clear document guidance, structured templates, FAT preparation, and direct communication support with classification societies. Leveraging CNET's extensive experience with URE 26 projects and standardized documentation practices, SEACURE helps vendors align their technical documentation precisely with class requirements, quickly and accurately. It has 5 key support areas as following. Provision of templates and authoring support for required documents such as CSDD, Cybersecurity Design Description, Test Procedure, and SDLC, Secure Development Life Cycle. Custom responses and documentation adapted to the specific requirements of major classification societies including ABS, BV, DNV, LR, KR, NK, and RENA. Pre-test readiness reviews and strategic response planning for potential class questions during factory acceptance testing and onboard verification. Documents are structured using the client's existing technical materials. Where insufficient, SEACURE provides supplementary templates and samples. End-to-end consulting roadmap including a step-by-step type approval workflow tailored to system and equipment vendors. SEACURE, Shipowner Consulting, is CNET's dedicated cybersecurity consulting service tailored for shipowners, enabling them to proactively manage cyber risks on operating vessels and maintain a compliant security posture under IMO guidelines and IACS-URE 26. During annual class surveys, flag changes, equipment replacements, or changes in ship management, owners are required to implement cybersecurity risk reassessment and management of change, MOC, procedures. SEACURE delivers integrated support, including document updates, onboard inspections, internal reporting, and submission materials for classification societies and flag states. Our expert consultants act on behalf of shipowners to consolidate technical data from system suppliers, ensuring consistent, accurate, and timely compliance across all involved systems and documentation. It has 5 key support areas as following. Support for revising cybersecurity documents such as CSDD and risk assessment in alignment with class renewal timelines. Establishment and implementation of management of change processes when onboard systems, equipment, or ship management are altered. Adaptation of cybersecurity documentation and risk controls to reflect the requirements of the new flag state or registry. Evaluation of existing documentation and support in preparing supplemental records or updates as required by class or internal policies. Delivery of customized cybersecurity assessment reports for each vessel, including documentation history and risk status from the owner's perspective. On-site or remote support during class surveys, assisting with explanation of documentation and responding to technical inquiries from surveyors. SEACURE training is a specialized hands-on cybersecurity training program tailored for the maritime sector, designed to equip overseas system integrators, equipment manufacturers, shipowners, and shipyards with the practical knowledge needed to comply with IACSUR E26/E27 IMO Cyber Guidelines, and various classification society requirements. The program includes a dedicated SI execution training track for international system vendors, focusing on the documentation, testing, and approval processes required for compliance. All training modules are built on real-world shipboard project experiences and supported by CNET's proven templates and documentation standards. It has 6 key training features as following. Structured courses offered at both basic and advanced levels, covering cybersecurity compliance for new build and operating vessels. Participants complete guided exercises for producing CSDD, test procedures, and risk assessments aligned with class expectations. Training on execution and preparation for factory acceptance testing, onboard validation, and management of change, MOC, procedures. Remote instruction available for international suppliers, including a formal certificate of completion upon passing evaluations. Practical sessions focused on building cybersecurity management systems and workflows suited for operational teams. All participants receive sample documents, implementation guides, and editable templates to support immediate application in their projects. CNET is your reliable solution for cybersecurity.